You are welcome to this YouTube channel and you're welcome to this new episode. Now, if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with your YouTube channel having just 50 subscribers. You heard me right, 50 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Okay, so wherever you are, wherever country you might be, Nigeria, this works everywhere. So far you can follow simple instructions and you can follow simple implementation. Now there are several ways whereby you can make money on your YouTube channel having just 50 subscribers. And on this channel, if I want to testify to you, or just for me to be plain enough, I have made over 100k on this new channel that you can see right now. I have made over 100k on this new channel. At the time of making this video, I have just 127 subscribers and I have made over 100,000 naira cash on this YouTube channel. Okay, so I know what I'm saying, and I won't just want to come outside and say what I have not tried. Are you getting what I'm saying now? The first way by which you can make money on your 50 subscribers YouTube channel is by leaving an affiliate link that is related to your particular niche. Let's say for instance you are speaking about weight loss, okay, and you go on Amazon, or you have some big companies who have an affiliate. Do you understand? They have an affiliate program that is attached to their particular product. That is, when you sell for them, when people buy through your link, you get a commission. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you could get this thing, you could speak about, come to your channel, speak about weight loss and give a review, show a review, how people have been testifying about this person's product. Okay, most times on the website they will show people who have been testifying to the product or the ebook of this particular person. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So you show people how this thing have been able to help others, and you leave your affiliate link in the description box. You can even leave your link on the YouTube video. I get what I'm saying, or your WhatsApp number by which people can contact you. So let's say for instance now you make maybe couple of 10 videos speaking about weight loss products, but you keep recommending this particular link, and you get what I'm saying now. So this kind of a thing, you are building a business. As you are building a channel, you are building a business, and you are also making an income. Do you understand now? So leaving affiliate links in your description box below, okay, talking about people's products and recommending it to people, okay, to new viewers who are discovering your channel. That is, you have an avenue to make money. Do you understand now? Even in years and years to come. So the second way by which you can make money on your YouTube channel is by you creating your course or your consultation. Are you getting on? Let's say for instance now I'm into digital marketing, so I create courses, I create free videos, but I used to let people know whenever you have a problem, are you getting on? Whenever you have a problem doing this particular thing, you can come to my WhatsApp number, chat me on WhatsApp number, get to my website, and you'll be able to you'll be able to get, you get what I'm saying, the real deal. You will be able to get my own help, okay, my intervention, my special time, and by so doing I can charge them, and by so doing they are going to pay because they've got value in the video they've been watching before, and by so doing this has built a lot of confidence in them. So try these two methods and I'm very sure you are going to testify to this actual video. Okay, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and on this channel I show you only what I've been able to do and implement, which I I confirm to be working. So thank you very much and see you on the next video. My name is Ayo. Peace out.